Today in class, we are going to discuss how to see single view of a student's work. To begin this, you'll just log into your Google Classroom, and then up at the top where it says Stream, Students, and About, you'll click on Students, and then each of your students will pop up in your class. As you can see, I have 4 students. Um, I have one student that has not completed all of the assignments, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to look at hers so that you can see how you can view completed and not completed and turned in. So I'm going to click on her name, and her name has, after clicking on it, it shows 2 assignments that have been assigned to her. It has her name up at the top, what class she's in, and the 2 assignments have been assigned. Over to the left, you have the filters, the turned in, returned with a grade, and missing assignment. As you can see, the standards assignment she has completed, and I have returned it. You can see returned with a grade, by clicking on that. And if you click on turned in, it shows no work turned in because I've returned all the work that she has completed. If you look under missing, she has no missing work, but she has not completed this Who Can Change the Theme in Google Classroom, which was assigned, but she has done nothing with it. To go back to your whole classroom as a whole, you can just click the back arrow and you've got them all right there. Pretty simple, easy to view, individual students going to their regular class. And I'll go ahead and click on Willa's, and if you click on hers, you can see that I have returned both of her assignments. And you can click on an assignment and actually view, if you give it a second, what she answered to the questions. Like I said, viewing an individual student is pretty easy. I'm going to go ahead and go back to my classroom and all of my students, and that pretty much sums up how to view an individual student's classroom. Thank you.